pray. Kalum ko. Ring berapu. Jehovah ting kwang. Naga me pay. Naga me po. Nang kay beting kom. Nang pay beting kom. Naga me gu. Gi Japamba. Halay kay kebuku. Festival aja. Rai lang beting miktiu ja suna namai. Ay po bam gana sugu delay. Ay po bam ja harangan ng dagat pay good lay. Kagwang ma jemanalay do ng da pay good lay. Nang haruin kansit no gwang kiu ja ay po bam ja bam puikit kailaw. Anui kaday, anui ruaga. Hagwa ja tu buima. Papay paga tu ma. Zai anui hangga zuai rama. Ay jemadu ng haruin kansit na puizu ja kailaw. Tat kiu bam belungga. District headquarter lungga. Kabam maza na kagwang ma. Tahu mana tu harui na ngaja tapat tagu play niga nang anuroga pampaw sangja naga me pay sangja namay go celebration namay go festival pay sangja nang na anudungo pam samaylaw nai kum sang na jang kai matai kumgu kilu ta te bega halai kai ke raba halai pay paraba ma plana aija nang ngai bekang na malai ni gan tuirui ta ke rura harui na kang sangja kteija pui jugai lo wang ba me plana anu pege pam luigum ja anu gu identity, anu tu kapak pakai di ba, anu di kuai di ba, anu gu culture, jana anu gu pergi pamlei na liaja mata tegu delay. Haranang suake kan zubenai, kamu beberapa nang na anu tu control tu ja harui nak puju lau. Teu belai na peja ningeu di bepei teu delau. Ai pau bam benai, tak kau rabat dua benai. Program namai genau jan somai, tak kau rabat lei ni kan ngukan jab kangna, anu tu reja ngom jabam lau. Ke di beng jahira, ke di beng ngagaira. Anui kan nomor apa? Anui pau pai Abraham, Isaac, Jacob rapu. Namai sang ba anui kan nomor apa? Yesus jina anui penting wong daga ngai ngai rahanga kat penai trija kolum de kele. Amen.
Thank you, Pastor, for the invocation. And now we shall have the flag hoisting along with the blowing of trumpet. And for this flag hoisting, I request Ino Angelorho, President, United Naga Council, and all the presidents and former presidents of District Apex Body, and some Naga Women Union, Peace Committee, all the executives of UNC, all the working committee members of the UNC to kindly join for the flag hoisting. I also request the Karam tribe to kindly accompany the flag hoisting with the blowing of trumpet. Ho ho, a collective howling by a group of men signifies the commencement and conclusion of significant events. This ritual accompanied by trumpet blowing, and it is conducted with the conviction that it brings success. Upon the event's success, the Karam community engages in the ho ho and trumpet rituals once more. Karam mitwang community rena hai putong huai kau mai hai kaniu hai thau duak akhat soni mi gan khau ram khat ton pani mi gan khau thui mai lo tau khang tana huai hai kau to ngei tana sao ấy hai kum le ki kau ta ngei tu ti thai kaniu tuang ton duan zu huai khatai thui mai phang ta ngei ti tha thon gu mai sonani kaniu hai huai hai kau ta kloi ye tana sai.
Hello. Blowing of trumpet serves as a warning signal to warn of birds and animals in the rice field, to alert the collective habitats when enemies attack, and also to signal the declaration of wage war. Thank you, Karam tribe, for the wonderful performance. To welcome us all officially, may I invite Ino R. Machundaubo, convener Joint Tribes, for the welcome nod. Please, sir.
Sorry that we are just behind time. Ihan hanbada akhoi miyam bo sembi ba ipai so bo yamna thakachabani. And I also would like to thank our honored guest. Right now he hasn't come to the stage yet. And I also like to thank my brother Jahemlung, our local MLA, for being with us in spite of his tight schedule. And most of all, I really would like to thank all my tribe presidents. Mapam tongan badigi magi tabak achin mamiyam leirabasu akhoi gi Naga festival luingai ni si mapung pahange hana with so many delegates, with so many difficulties. You have come all the way from different districts to make this Luingaini a very successful festival. So once again, I would like to thank all my tribe presidents for being here in our midst today. And akhoi church gi leaders miyam su yaure akhoi gi marakta. And then there are my fellow Ansems and Naga women, and various civil societies who have come from different angles of Manipur, representing the Nagas. I once again welcome each and everyone here at the Tamenglong District Headquarters for the celebration of the Luingaini. Ako'y si asamay na mi ampul loidra hai na sukhan ni kalamani matam so patte irang sukhra leibani mi laoidra hai na suyam kalamani adubu mi am so lapi bigidamakta wakan siyam nongaire lambi so patte matam so patte adubu in spite of all the challenges you have come all the way from different districts to show that we Nagas are one, we love each other, we represent that we are one. Mapam si yam na su England biyay, there will be so many inconveniences, chaba thakpada, tumbada, noigi inconveniences yam leram biyay. But please do bear with us, and I hope we all enjoy this Luingaini. Be free. Tamenglong welcomes each and everyone present here today. You are free to enjoy. And then I once again welcome each and everyone present here today, and I wish this 2024 Luingaini be a very successful festival, and not only that, a festival which will be remembered by each and everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arma Chandaubo, Convener Joint Tribes Council, for officially welcoming each and every one of us for the Luingaini 2024. And up next, to entertain us with a musical piece, I would like to invite Guru Reuben Mashangba. Now, presenting the cultural dance of the Aimal tribe on stage.
Sorry.
for the vibrant performance. There are some changes in the program, so now may I invite Impui tribe for the folk song. May I repeat? Impui tribe for the folk song. The stage is yours, please.
ขัดกับโลกลงกันนะครับลงมาเป็นไรแห้งนี่ระวังดันแทนเขาคันนี่นาแทนนี่แจ้งกระดิ่งนะที่หนึ่งเลย
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
Thank you, Impuitrai, for your wonderful performance. And now we have introduction and presentation, for which may I invite Ino CH Loli, Treasurer, SLOC, to kindly take this time. Sir, please.
Compares. Good evening, everyone. We have an important personality in our midst today. He is well versed in Indo-Naga politics. He's very concerned for the welfare and growth of our people. He is also much concerned about the developments in Manipur. He's none other than our honored guest, Ram Muiwa. Sir, would you please stand? Yes, sir, please come here on stage. You please come here on stage. He was also the Secretary NEC, a retired IAS officer, and we are very proud to have him. And moreover, he has become an astute politician. So we are very happy to have him in our midst. The ushers, please come and give the presentation to him. Sir, please come.
We'll take, sir,
Oh, yes.
sir, here. We'll take photo.
Come.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, and happy New Year.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Next, we have Reverend Dr. Alungbo Nyuma, Executive Secretary, Nengmai Naga Baptist Association, Manipur. Reverend, please come here on stage.
Okay, thank you.
Next, we have Reverend Namrai Q. Pamai, Pastor, ZNBC. Please come here on stage and receive your gift. Next, we have Luangani artists. I won't call you individually, I'll call you all four of you in groups. So, these not artists, I'll call up the compares. The artists will be introduced tomorrow. So, compares, please come up here on stage. First, we have Wimila Vashum. Next, we have Kaipila Loviti Maram. And then the third, we have Azinga Kamai. The fourth, Kondinang. All the four of you, please come up here on stage. Next, we have the light and sound team. Please, all of you come up here on stage, light and sound team. Light and sound team. All of you. I think our light and sound team is stage shy maybe, so only one of them is representing. To save time, videography and photography, please get ready. Next, we have the media team. Media. Thank you, everyone. Happy Lungaini.
Thank you, Ino Loli, for the introduction and presentation. Now I would like to call upon Ino Dr. Aku Niumei, Secretary, Local Organizing Committee, for another round of introduction and presentation.
I'm taking this privilege to introduce and hand over a little token of love to the VIPs, especially tonight's program officers. First of all, I would like to call upon Sri Ram Moiba, honored guest of this program. So will you please come forward to this place on the stage? And we have arranged a small gift from Local Arrangement Committee. And this is a small gift from Local Arrangement Committee. Next, we have Colonel Aman, CO 6 Assam Rifle, Tamenglong. Next, we have Reverend Namrekeu, Palmer, Pastor, ZNBC. Please, Pastor. And next we have Reverend Dr. Alung Bao, Executive Secretary, Liangmai Naga Baptist Association, Manipur. We will meet VIPs, the remaining VIPs, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Aku Nyume. Now I would like to call upon the honored guest for tonight, Ram Muiva, IAS retired Honorable MLA, 44 Ukhrul STAC Manipur, for a speech.
Mr. Lord Ho, President UNC, and his colleagues, rank and file, the local, state level organizing committee convener, Dr. Aku, and your colleagues, rank and file, and also the chief host or the principal host of this Luingaini 2024, and my colleague, respected colleague, Mr. Ahem Bose, MLA, Honorable MLA Tamenglong, and also the dignitaries present tonight here, Mr. Lemio Luikam, SP Tamenglong District, Colonel Aman Aluwalia and his wife. I hope, Mr. Colonel Aluwalia, you enjoy your brief sojourn here in Tamenglong, and when your dinner is over, you go back home with fond memories of Tamenglong and Manipur. And also, General Secretary Mr. Varayo, UNC, and Convener, State Level Organizing Committee, Mr. N. Konmei, and the dignitaries in the program, Reverend Namraikyu Pame, Pastor CNBC, and Eno R. Muchun Taubo, Convener, Joint Tribes Council, Eno C.H. Loli, Eno Kashahung Pariam, member SCOLC, and Reverend Dr. Alung Bao Nyumai. And ladies and gentlemen, I shall not take too much of your time. I think everybody looking forward for the host night. Nevertheless, I would like to say a few words about Tamenglong. Tamenglong holds a significant place in the history of Manipur. It was Tamenglong, together with Ukhrul, were the first subdivision in Manipur. It was, I think, inaugurated on 10 October 1919. Churachampur district used to be part of Tamenglong. Then Ukhrul, in the same year, 1919, the two subdivisions were the first administrative headquarters of Manipur. It is more than a century old. So both Ukhrul and Tamenglong holds a significant place in the history of Manipur. I remember my last visit in Tamenglong was in 1994. Again, it was the Lungaini. I was then a joint secretary, PHCD, water supply, and I remember Tamenglong with unforgettable memories, the beautiful, the people, the hospitality, the generosity, and the beauty of this place, fresh air, cleanliness. But I remember the road from Khongsang to Tamenglong was in terrible shape. So when I became the Principal Secretary of Works in 2008, with the help of Mr. Vijay Chipper, the Additional Secretary, Ministry of Road Transport, I upgraded Khongsang to Tamenglong into National Highway. Today, I went to see, as soon as I landed in the Tamenglong, the road. So Khongsang-Tamenglong Road is one of the most beautiful roads. I'm very, very happy for the people of Tamenglong. When I was Principal Secretary, the PWD department thought Tamenglong is the most strategically placed district because it borders Assam. So we have to look to the west, being the capital, the center of power is in Delhi. So because of the locational advantage, now Tamenglong is going to have the externally aided project, Kangchup to Tamenglong via Hauchong. Today I went to see the road. It is a green field, but it's really very, fantastic road. The distance from Imphal to Tamenglong will be cut short by 40 kilometers. Again, Tamenglong is bordering with the Haflong district, Tima Haso, and the east-west corridor is coming towards Haflong. So again, Ministry of Road Transport has started Tamenglong to Mahua, that Haflong road. I am told that is also in good progress. I think after 5 years or so, Tamenglong will take off economic development. When I saw from the helicopter today, all the mountains, the hills of Tamenglong, I saw, lots of progress. I think 5 years down the line, Tamenglong may be the most developed district in the state. And maybe they deserve to be so. So my best wishes, and I would like to express at the outset, I am deeply honored to be your guest of honor tonight, and I am overwhelmed by your, that affection and love and beautiful gifts. Thank you so much, the people of Tamenglong. Now, friends, I would like to say something about Lungaini. Lungaini is one of the biggest festivals of the Naga people in Manipur. It is a spring festival as well as the seed sowing festival. Naga people in ancient time, we are ancient people, all our festivals are related, pertains to agriculture. So this Lungaini is a seed sowing festival as well as the spring festival. Another big festival is the post-harvest. In Tangkhul, we call Chumpu. Maybe you call Kangai. We have only one religious festival, that is Tisham. We call Tisham. You see of the spirit of the dead in the family, in the village. So the Lungaini holds a very important place in the life of the Naga people. And I am impressed by the present, this year's Lungaini motto, Queen Essential Cultural Resurgence. I think it is very, very relevant. Whenever I go to Senapati, Tamenglong, Chandel, or Ukhrul, I think you will agree with me. There is a cultural renaissance of the Naga people. The song I listen in the YouTube, the Rongmei or the Tamenglong, Pumei, Mau, Anna, Lamkan, Mayon, Tangkhul, they are really, really beautiful. That is why I thought that cultural renaissance is happening in our land. So I thought this motto is very, very relevant. Friends, I shall not take too much of your time. I just want to convey to you, express only one message. That is national character. We must revive, evolve our national character. Today, Nagas, we are building a nation. Our nation building is in work in progress. Because Naga people, we speak more than 60 languages. It's a really, really big challenge, Herculean task to evolve to be a nation. All these 70 years or 80 years, maybe nearly half, nearly a century. Our struggle is nothing but we want to build a nation called the Nagas. We are evolving to be a nation, and because we have more than 60 languages, it's a very, very hard task, big challenge, but we should not be disheartened. One day we will be a nation. We are already a nation, but because of the language challenges, here tonight I want to share with you the countries that have made progress in the world. Along with everything else, there has been important catalytic change that has been the national character. Friends, I'm sorry, I shall have to speak in bilingual. I Manipuri di Shukara Haijage. I seek the intelligence of friends who don't follow Manipuri. I will try to speak in Manipuri, though I'm poor in Manipuri, for the convenience of the crowd tonight. Ngasi ahingda aina nakhoi the message amakhakta share tawningi adudi ekhoi Naga singse national character revive tawsi build up tawsi prithibi gi chawkhat thorang achauba developed countries Japan, Singapore, USA mokhoina ekhoida karamaina mang thabara haibase because of their national character. Ekhoi ipa ipuki national character, honesty, truthfulness, adu ekhoi national character ni sacrifice for the nation. Mesi ekhoi national character ni huchik ekhoi angang singsi kauthopo yam lere. Just like the ancient Nagas, Japan she after the Second World War, atomic bomb Nagasaki, Hiroshima, only in Japan thadakibani. Japan rose like a phoenix from the ashes. After Second World War, Japan #1 tabashi. Kadi kino hairaga makhogi national character she Nihon Chiron habani. Nihon Chiron. That is sacrifice for the nation aduni. Ekhoi marakta kun oishunu, imung oishunu, society, nation oishunu. Sacrifice yautrabadi Mongol oibasha shuya yade. Japan na best example ni mokhogi Nihon Chiron national sacrifice for the nation haibadu. Ekhoi shu adum tamshi. Singapore is the third richest country in the world in terms of per capita. Karamaina Singapore da natural resources leidaba lamshina prithibi da khwaidagi inakhunbal oibra hairaga it's because of their national character ni honesty, pragmatism, meritocracy. Yango ekhoi Manipur da government thabak tawraga the highest bidder Lilam auction toba dareba. Adudi ekhoi merit kanadre paisa na leiraga ekhoi tawri huji Manipur si. Kona ekhoi Manipur si kari tawgani. Lari khwaidagi haidaba singda ocha da holle. We are destroying a generation. Ocha man 40 years, 35 years, ocha daw dabani. Tambusu hayde. Aduna ekoi young generation destroy dawanatra. Aduna Singapore gi national character based on meritocracy, honesty, clean government, pragmatism she. Ekoi issue shigi national character she tamshi. Yango USA 200 years ago. USA was nothing. It was a wild west. Today we are the only superpower in the world. Karamay na tawkibara haraga mashimoy national character duni. Protestant ethics. Ay Catholic ni adore bishu I recognize the national character of USA gidu yango. Protestant ethics ay bishi hard work, frugality and entrepreneurship. Government di tolom na nation shem kapra yabarone from paycheck to paycheck hingaga entrepreneurship. Ford yango mo na car hauba natra, Oliver Wright na aeroplane hauba, Thomas Edison na electric shemba. Mashi entrepreneurship shi leitaba yade. Entrepreneurship shi ekoi India do show yango Mukesh Ambani, Adani. Mukesh Ambani ki employee do kaya labora. He is the richest man in Asia. Magi employee shi 3 lakh ni. Temenong ki population kaya no, not even 2 lakh. Mukesh Ambani alone employee me 3 lakh ni. Indirect more than 1 million, 10 lakh ni. Adani she a Delhi da Ministry of Finance the Joint Secretary oirame 2001 to 6. Magi turnover to only 4,000 crore oirambani. He was a vegetable oil manufacturer. 4,000 crore di ujing magi shi 1 lakh crore yaurene in a matter of 20 years. See the power of entrepreneurship. See USA di hawkibani. Ngashi na ko yango President of India ki maming kaya na khange Reliance no khang daba leite ko. Aduni, that is the power of entrepreneurship. Nakoi Japan ki Prime Minister maming kana na khange nakoi kita 90% khang lamoy. Aduba Sony, Toyota khang daba leibara. South Korea ki President kana no nakoi khang lamoy. Aduba nakoi ni LG, Samsung khang daba leite. That is the power of entrepreneurship ni. Mishi USA an example ni. Si USA ki national character ni. Ekoi ki neighbor Mizoram. Ekoi bu yam tin hen kare. Mokoi bu di ekoi na hen na leiram bani because of their national character. Lom ngai na. Lom ngai na hai ba si ekoi di shu leye the elements of lom ngai na si. Ekoi tangkul di singahan kauye changhan kauye. Lom ngai na hai ba di service to others before self hai ba si ni. Ngashi Mizoram the election the kana nishu corruption tawba yade. Adung mo mi bu vote pi de. Election the chathak pa ngaktani chak pi chaba yade corruption yade. Mizoram ki 42 MLA do PhD, IPS, IS, PhD holder ngaktani. Ekoi Manipur ki yango 90% of our policy makers are tekadar contractor ngakta oire. Ay kana kana bu ay anum ay individual hibernate ay namshi hibernate ko the editor of Impal Free Press Pratiphan Chaubam hai this government is the government of Tekadars hai bani yango Manipur na Mizoram da 10 years 12 years han bani ngasi di makhoi na ekoi example oina makhoi inspire to holeba Karino haraga mo national character longwai na haibadu service to others before self haibadu ekoi shu adu mong to tamse longwai na haiba element se ekoi naka marak de shu loi ne leye mamingi wani ai machine na hoida haining bani conclusion da ai machine haining ekoi heritage culture victory se we must take pride. Ekoi heritage ipa ipuki honesty democracy republic do we kauthok ba yade aduga let us celebrate our culture lungai ni our victories our heroes ekoi ancient heroes yam leine ekoi tanghul da longyao and karepi adu epic tu creek the shu hen phajabani simrai sang maiton phi romeo juliet bu shu hen phajayi persian ki laila majnun bu shu hen phajabani maite ki khamba thoi bu shu hen phajabani adugumba yam epic hero yam leye modern time da ekoi hero kanano hypo chaitonang ekoi hero natra 1920s da nagaraj heraka movement haina man hokhibani magi niece Ranima was the Naga Joan of Art ni was Naga Joan of Art ekoi hero heroine ni adubo hai pau chatona garani de lari kaya haidabani na they needed Joseph Mazzini they needed Gabor suave sophisticated diplomat too adu leidaba adu moi movement to cut short tawkhre magi mathang da ekhogi naga hero exat phizo he was the naga Gabor ni adubu naga ki philosopher Joseph Mazzini the true naga Mazzini was the sacre the most heart touching writer magi English phajaba articulate guitarist poet singer oiba adumuk heba mi do we eliminated him 1956 awai pamagni man ekhogi naga Joseph Mazzini oigadabani ma bhathokre aduda mathangda ekhogi uncle R Swissa lae naga R Swissa was a Garibaldi of the Nagas ni but today ekhogi Joseph Mazzini philosopher writer later ekhogi Gabor Count Gabor suave sophisticated diplomat prime minister president ngamba mi laidre aduna ekhoi youth ching dai haining bani who is the Naga Gabor Count Gabor Joseph Mazzini Garibaldi mashi tawse they are our hero ekhoi we should be proud of them ai mashi haining finally aina wahai amakhang dai jage the education play pivotal role in the development of Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, USA. Education is the key to transform our society. Haibashi, aina with haijaningi. Aduna, lastly, a true measure of society's character is reflected in how we uphold the dignity and respect of women. Women, 50%, ekoi moidas national movement hapoi drone. Women yaudaba nation dudi they can never be a distinct nation habishi. Women shi ekoi moi dignity uphold doshi respect doshi ai khaning bani. Finally, through national character ekoi Naga nation building shi Mongol oibani habishi hainingi. Wahi amaning shi hairaga once again happy Lungaini 2024 Kuknalim.
Thank you, honored guest. Ramuiva, IAS retired Honorable MLA 44 Ukrul SDAC Manipur, for the wonderful, inspiring and motivational speech. Hoping that this speech that you have given tonight shall motivate each and every one of us here, present here tonight, and wake up to a revolutionized world tomorrow. Thank you once again, sir. And now, may I request Kashahung Bariam, member of State Level Organizing Committee, to propose the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
ihan hanbada aikhoi bu sembi ba isor bu ngamkhai letana thagat chai loina na ngasi gi chief host oi bi ba aikhoi gi mayam na ikai khumna ningai matik charaba haujik aige imang makta asimuk phajaba wahei aikhoi na lausil labadi aikhoi gi punsi gi lan oigdaba wahei ngang bi khiba Honorable MLA busu Ram Muiba yamna thagat chai isorna magi mathakta bor pibiraga tungi haurakadaba yumbiren singda asimuk phajaba darkar leibado amuka sungang bi khigni haibasi thajaba thamjai opening prayer lobi khiba Reverend Namrai Kyo Pamai Pastor ZNBC aduga flag wasting tobi khiba aikhoi ge ikai khumna ningai matik saraba UNC ge President NG Lorho aduga mathangda aikhoi ge convener Machundaubo mayam ge damakta introduction speech pibi khiba aduga Aimol tribe na jagoi phajaba utpi khiba makhoi na utpi khibado aikhoi na khalu base isam sambanatre arapagi mafam da laraga utpi khiba jagoi do makhoi na hannu oi khrasu naga gi history dadi makhoi se ngasi as a young ngasi sa khiba jagoi ado adum leiragani haibasi ningsing lubada makhoi su yam harau ramgani aikhoi su yam pele Impui tribe na folk song sakpi khiba busu yamna thagat chare aduga loina na mayam se hayeng ge lakadaba program sit swing festival mayam se bor phangna na ba mayam prasna ga loina na ngai minasi maigoi na tameng long maigoi na ta thunku the nang dio roi guang sui lau magi thai hai program hai ma phung phani tong rap me ke guang sui na guang lau me khang ta pai na thong ku the ta meng long mai guai athuat ni mai guai na cooperation tu sui na tilana ngai hai ro guang tong soi hiam hai gai na phang mai su kho tu mai hai lat hai salau kriat lau ni the mayam bu hai ning ma mayam di leiri adu bu mayam bu isor na mateng pi ba boiresnu asidegi ten na loisinjare thank you kungnalim.
Thank you, Kashahung Bariam, member of SLOC, for proposing the vote of thanks. And may I now invite Reverend Dr. Alungbo Niumei, Executive Secretary LNBA, for the benediction.
Happy Luingaini to everyone. As we have come to the end of our introductory session, let us give thanks to God and let us look to God in prayer. Tingkadi dam khaiju ringju bambo alipiu tingwang thanai nangniu longsa khai khakai pengasu joint tribes jemai liangmai romai khadin puiniu organized community Rapia but Tamanglonga, Luingai ni 2024 go Tingi di hai Ajuza, Rankaiju Tanai, introductory session I wadi kamkana mahaju, Padon chuju, Nani Lungsak have pengas a wizard to come Kailu Blaine Surapino to DJ to 1Q day. Rapio Habagu, Tendon Gaza of Hajimama, Tuneriga, Nungo Tanam Gadibo Nana Pikabe to Kailo. Sunai, Padon chuju to Wanabo, inaugural session Kadi. Valedictory session Tiwanabo, Tank Demon at Latvili Dinwang to Wanabo, Pakang Nagadim, Rapial Utamine and a Mening Bomagju, Nagna Mening Mugana Natsun Bagad, Din Kai to Haiju, Habagu, Tendon, Hina Heineken, and I'm coming son with Chulureling Rapina Nakahalo. Tonight, Alumbani Purga Bambo, Naga my tribes, 21 different Naga tribes, hakumbago luingai ni ga participate ju chun sam ju chuba kom ju aliun danga mai go building chuba ga mahina chun kha lung kha ju tension ju sal lai na pina na kha khailo siro na ma ju nungu tendun ga di nungu mission go tendun ga di ra chu ja tension ju sana lai machino na nam pau khailo hab bam ko lium pailan chabam ta di na na lium machino no mazang khai thoi khai kha khara lai thoi dam ko bam pau chu ji mamo tingwang ring ba tingwang rapiu jisu christ janga thungkiu ju ko hom ju khenge amen.
Thank you, Reverend Dr. Lungboni Mai, for the benediction. And with that, we have come to the end of the introductory session of Luingaini 2024. But before I hand over this microphone to the host of the host night, may I invite Eli Sungchambariam on the stage. Eli Sungchambariam is just 23 years old, primary school teacher from Puichi village, None. She is the champion of The Voice 41 Miles 2023, also the champion of Make the Noise 2021. Eli Sungchambariam will be entertaining us tonight with some special numbers.
Hello, check. Hello, check. When tomorrow comes, I'll be on my own, feeling bright enough, the things that I don't know. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes, tomorrow comes. And though the road is long, I look up to the sky, and in the dark I found lost love that I won't fly. And I sing alone, I sing alone, and I sing alone. I got all I knew and I got you and I. Around me, see sweet life. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. Kickstart my heart when you're shining in my eyes. Can't lie, it's a sweet life. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. 'Cause you're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. You're my flashlight. Oh, I see the shadows long beneath the mountain top. I'm not afraid when the rain won't stop. 'Cause you like the way, you like the way, you like the way. I got all I need when I got you and I look around me, see sweet life. I'm stuck in the dark, but you're my flashlight. You're getting me through the night. of last life. Thank you. Faded.
Thank you, Ili Sungchambariam, for your majestic performance. We have had a wonderful evening so far, filled with music, speech, and exchanges. We have more treasure to unveil. And straight away, we will start with our host night. For the host night, may we hand over our microphone to Ino Idauliriamai and Hegung Ile Niumai. Thank you, and let's have a great evening ahead.
Hello. Tamenglong. Bom Gai Dai. Bom Dai. I need to hear more from Tamenglong now. Bom Gai Dai. Great. Happy Luingani to each one present here from every corner. We had the first session. Thank you, Azigna, Kondenang, and Yumila for handing it over. And up next, we will have a Rongmai dance troupe presenting Rongmai dance. May I invite the Rongmai troops to please take the stage to perform the dances for everyone eagerly waiting to see the dance. After which we will have Liang Mai dance troupe presenting Liang Mai dance. After which we will have a rock session from Mr. Ilai Beria Mai and Malantau, Swaneng, GMP the band, and many more tonight. Thank you, Temenglong Pungwang Woman Dance Troupe, for your beautiful performance. Next, we have Liang Mai Dance Troupe on a stage. Liang Mai Nadung Lem Suizio Remra Tingna Bon Katiukum Biuzai Takha Machuang Kangkum Naga Maidung Yo Hey Kain Sang Pilo Alem Kasan Netiulo. May I call upon Liang Mai Dance Troupe on the stage. The meanings of Liang Mai dance of fish, as the Liang Mai folks rise and start dancing, like the birds flocking about the fruitful banyan tree, like the fish spawning in the Barak River. Hey, all the Naga folks come in hundreds and thousands and witness it, saying, "We will join and dance together in the new Liang Mai fish dance." Thank you, Liang Mai Naga Council LNC, Liang Mai Chakhal Lem, for your beautiful performance. Up next, we have Dina Neume. We will have a performance by Dina Neume, a local artist. After which we will have a traditional song from one of our elders, Mr. Tuandiang Pamay. Dina Neume rai luswalaw kanay tuwi thai. Apaw Tuandiang Pamay backstage kata ready slaw buom. Dina ro na solo law kanay thai thai nang ro na swanda pani ko bizang ra apaw tai. After which we will have a rock session. Presenting you all, Dina Neume on stage.
All of these lines across my face tell you the story of who I am. So many stories of where I've been, and now I got to where I am. But life is still trying to get up that great big hill for destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made of this brotherhood of man.
a deep breath and I get real high and I scream on tops of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, do I try all the time in this institution, and I pray, oh my God, do I pray every single day for revolution. So I pray times when I'm lying in bed, just to get it out. What's in my head at night, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside, and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from tops of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? Everybody's and life is too trying to get up there, big Thank you.
Thank you, Dina Niume. The second song she sung was recently released. It is her original in Jeme. The title of the song is Museo and Sang. Aniu Zemina Katwang Lu Akhat Hai Takan Megan Kau San Mang Mida Kodie, Kamai release Lau Mitai, Kanai Mekosona, Komaswa Lau Mitonge, Miguana Bon, Hiu Dina Hiu Lau the Ho. Next cow, about 20 young Palmai. Kamai ready Subametai traditional song kang kagante ko na la po about tai about 20 young Palmai kamay ron na swalaw tangganay thai aniu kang state level Lawrence Festival Tamanglong's Got Talent winner Mr. Elaibe Riapmai kamay na performs lauda pani kamakakang tamay na khuôn là bấm bùa tụi mình đặt thai lão mình tụi nghe bài mày anh yêu đàn kinh ni na bấm mày mà lần thâu the revival cái yêu quay khởi này có mà thằng sơn là xua lão đàn bấm bùa
quay luôn lũ bông hết thâu đi mà cõi loạn lũ băng thao đi ria son mu goi ran nè hè tuổi buông siêu buông soi ở dòng môn hè tuổi môn mù băng hoàng phù kham su con na cơ sở na ta pui đôi thôi loạn quay luồng phom lu rình xuân nơi thinh riêng bùi luồng hậu hay bom ca sa na nắng bùi thinh đồn rời thao lá mây lông mà gầy luồng quay luồng phom lu rình xuân nay lui la bùi luồng hậu hay bom ca sa na nắng bụi lùi bàn dài thao lá mây lông mà gầy luồng mà quay luồng phom lu rình xuân nay phải luôn bùi luồng hậu hay bom ca sa na nắng bụi phai gì dài thao lá mây lông mà gầy luồng mà quay luồng phom lu rình xuân nay ga la bùi luồng hậu hay bom ca sa na nắng bụi gan bàn dài thao lá mây lông mà gầy liềm hó tôi thôi liềm gò tôi thôi môn ta tí ta bố dầu bóng huống gắn piu na thiêu lại ban phiêu buồn có lom na hồi đam đam
con lo coi con cu con ơi con lo coi con cu con ơi.
Thuần quê à bao thuần điang pa mai kamai hai Palong village Koroe. He used to perform in various platforms with this folk song. And this suits our Luingani 2024 quintessential cultural resurgence theme. Shall we all give a round of applause for our about 20 young Pamai for the folk song. Up next we have the state level Lawrence Festival Temanglang Got Talent winner Mr. Laibe Riamai on stage, please. After which we will have a song from Jang Gon Mai.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Golabam wait the sequence away. Mugana thoi me loop ni de. Thoi me noi to ni sun sam lo. Nu dai. Nu dai. Beautiful. Tarai ko mai guru jingam to. I read machut mai. mi thế kamai mai tâm nọ là kamai ta zai khuan. You know, right? Okay. Entertainment purpose kang enhance lao me. It's called Tuna Nang Roi Puang Bam. Okay, music please. If you know the song, sing along with me, alright? Tuna nang rui puang bam, inga nai rui pang bam. Kin nai kin tum puang ma gay, puang quay khâu rui loài mây thế. Kin nai kin tum puang ma gay, puang quay khâu rui loài mây thế. Tuna nang hai ya khang day. Ta bui bui quang của sini yang dapat lau lagi kagan hai sama ge quang quay na de gather chinh rồi ding bam ao hu back rồi loang bam ao hu tươi right tips in day. Gather ching rui bao xin nê, a hu tươi right tips in nê. Gather ching rui bao xin nê, tình bằng mi thế nắng khang rui. Bui bui quang của xe nê, nang dapat lau lagi. Kagan hai sama ge, quang quay na de. Nang sai quay rồi phun bầm phút ni đi mai phút cần đeo xa ni đi mai xa cần đeo phút ni đi mai phút cần đeo xa ni đi mai xa cần đeo loay thế ni ta bui bui quang của xe ni nang dapat lau lagi kagan hai sama ge quang quay na de tuy du pu ni ngap gan suang ni tu giang khang ni pu ni thay quan piu khang ni pu ni thay tu giang khang ni pu ni thay quan piu khang ni pu ni thay na sa lau thao bui bui quang của xe nê nang dapat lau lagi kagan hai sama ge quang quay na de quang quay na de quang quay khao hai. Thank you. Have a great night.
Thank you, Mr. Ilebe, for the beautiful song. Up next, we have Jeng Gonmai. Kamai, tadba mai hu khao. Information khatiniye tilaup ne. Mr. Adin Jeng Dai Mai. Katuang Pars Mahalau na bametre. Katuang Pars kau Aadhaar card, driving license, komasian kasek ni kasek na bame. Turasai pu Pars pu tau la mawai ne roi reception counter kau. zia lao na gwang ti lao da khang ti thai lao pu tong ngai katang khao zeng god mai kamai stage gwang si lao pu tu khang ti thai lao pu tong hai.
After the performance of Jeng Gon Mai, we will have a song from another traditional song by Rieng Luang Lu Su Giang Phuom. Rieng Luang Lu Su Giang Phuom Zia Lau Na Jeng Gon Mai Tang nang ni suan pani ko be Giang roi backstage ko ready so lau pati kong Giang hoi ye.
Hello, hello.
Giang Gon Mai roi so loi lau kan hai thai Rieng Luang Lu Su Giang Phuom so lau da pani mi tai loi kan hai thang khon na ba mai. Ani tuang the one and only Malan Thau kamai ro na ka lau da pani. And now we have Giang Gon Mai on stage.
Dirty little notes on post-its, and when my hair starts turning gray, you say I'm like a fine wine better with age. I guess I learned it from my parents. The true love starts with friendship, a kiss on the forehead, a date night, fake an apology after a fight. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in living room like we're 18 and senior prom and grow. Oh, with someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me like my father loves my mom. Kids off when they called us old. He accidentally bought our dinner and let me be the Scrabble winner. And when my body changes shapes, they say, oh my God, you look hot today. I need a man who's patient and kind, gets out of the car and holds the door. I wanna slow dance in living room like we're 18 and senior prom and grow. Someone who makes me feel young. I need a man who loves me like my father loves my mom. Guess he lives up to my father. Maybe he can teach our daughter what it takes to love a queen. She should know she's royalty. I need a man who's patient